Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a flip through of my finished September 2025 Creative Daily Journal. I'm just going to do a quick flip through this time, you guys. I don't have the time to do a more in-depth like I usually do. So I'm just going to flip through, highlight a few things, and that's it. We had Teriyaki Madness on this day. Oh, my dad had to buy his new TV on this day. Read one book. We went shopping. We went to Ollie's for one last craft haul. That's a lie, by the way. I did go to Ollie's yesterday. And we got the ingredients for me to make pork and chive pot stickers and crab rangoon. And I set up my dad's new TV. Okay. The boyfriend's vacation was over, so we had one last lunch out for cheesesteaks at our favorite cheesesteak place. Yes, it's at a mini mart, and they're delicious. That's just how it is. And I got curtains to hang up to block the storage in my craft room because I'm tired of looking at it. But here is the cheesesteak. I get a small one. He gets a large one. They're so big and they're so filling. I don't know how he can eat them. I read another book on this day. Was working on the cross stitch, and the dog stole my spot because he's mean. Working on the cross stitch. Read another book. I woke up miserably unhappy because the cat was playing in my son's empty closet all night long. Let's see. Worked on that blanket. Watched Thursday Murder Club. Finally figured out how to finish up the bathroom. Finished dehydrating tomatoes. You know, the normal thing. Back to being very tired. Guys, the amount of times that I... Sorry about that. The amount of times that I... forget to take my iron is ridiculous. My pills, and there's a thing that goes off that tells me to take my pills. I still forget. Once again, still working on the cross stitch. My dad got pissy with me on this day. He's always pissy with me. It's like, whatever. We went to Lowe's to do returns, worked on the blanket. I am so much farther now. I'm into the blue now, but I don't think I have a picture of it. I might, but I don't think I do. I made a pumpkin cream cheese bundt cake and homemade tortillas. Watched Taskmaster. We've been on a Taskmaster kick. We only have a few more seasons to go and we're caught up. Read two books. Got my early birthday present from my neighbor. She's the best. Made spaghetti for my kid because he was sad on this day. Like, whatever. Okay. I offered to do some stuff for my neighbor, including making glow-in-the-dark amigurumi ghosts and cutting some stuff out the Cricut because her iPad will not connect to her Cricut anymore. So there's that. I woke up really dizzy and did absolutely nothing. Though I did work on the bathroom because sitting down I was fine, but standing up was not good. Read two books again. Read another book here. The dogs decided they wanted to be on the bed with me. I said I finished the fucking bathroom and I never want to work on it again. So I actually wasn't finished. Those were just pipe dreams of mine. I ordered a grab bar, toilet paper holder, and towel rack so I could finish the bathroom. Let's see here. Worked on, look at that. Look at that dresser. Was so many stitches. So I got everything off the wall to put up the new stuff on this day. So that's what I did on this day, but I cracked some tiles, so I had to replace tiles, which I was not happy about. And we had to turn the AC on again because it got hot, and it was hot yesterday. It's been hot again, and I'm so over it. Filmed some videos, worked on the bathroom tiles. Other than that, it was a lazy day. I didn't even cook dinner. The boyfriend wanted fried chicken, so we just went and got fried chicken at Redner's. We like Redner's. It's a local grocery store to us, fried chicken. So that's what we got. I made my boyfriend a shirt that says loafing so he could wear to work to piss off the people who pissed him off. But now you'll find out why. So I made the shirt that he wanted. My dad's heart rate was really high because of new medication. I told him he's not allowed to, get new medication anymore. There was a lot of room in the garbage, so I was able to get out a lot of the non-cardboard garbage from the basement. FYI, there's more garbage now because I cleaned out a closet. I read the new Kate Alice Marshall book. Finished the bathroom on this day. So the bathroom is completely done now. Completely done. Dunzo. Got up early, got pork and sauerkraut in the crock pot, did more laundry. Also, if you're like, pork and sauerkraut, yes, we are very much in Pennsylvania Dutch country around here. We all love our pork and sauerkraut, well, except for my kid. He doesn't like sauerkraut. So he didn't eat that night because I cooked the pork and the sauerkraut, even though I so carefully cleaned it off. So very carefully off of the pork. So he would never know. He refused to eat it anyway. I had a leisurely day. I read The Indifferent Stars Above. We got, it's a Saturday, so my dad wanted Olive Garden, so we got Olive Garden. My dad really likes to get food on a Saturday because it's just me and him usually. The kid went to D&D, got home at 8:30, and then went to the bar. Didn't get home till 3, the little brat. Oh, this is the ghost shirt my neighbor made me. Isn't it cute? And we had tacos, and I read a book. And I was determined not to renew my Kindle Unlimited subscription. Guess what? I wanted to wait a month or two. It took me 5 days. 5 days, and I was like, let's renew. Oh, I made meatball subs, but on Texas toast. Unbelievably good. I worked on this day a journal. It is a gratitude journal. I will give you, it's put away. You will see this month, the making of this gratitude journal, because it's for November. You will see 2 pages in the video and all the rest will be shorts. I explain it in the video. That's coming up, I think, in the middle of the month. Oh, and this, you guys, is like one of my favorite drinks, Mystic. If you ever see it anywhere, we get it at the Dollar Tree, but there's one gas station in a town a little far away from here that sells it. And the carrot mixes are unbelievably good. Also, the lemon ginger chews, I got these at Dollar Tree. They were really good. This is where I journaled because I miscounted pages. By the way, I didn't miscount pages. I'm just an idiot. Listened to an audiobook while I finished up that journal and went to do some returns, and I made cheese and onion monkey bread to go with dinner. It was delicious, you guys. This is Sal the salamander. He crawled over my boyfriend's foot when he had gotten here that night, and I read a book. I filmed the rest of the October videos on this day. I usually don't let it go this long. Like, this was the 24th. I don't usually let it go this long, but for some reason it took forever. The boyfriend got his inspection done, the first one he's had with this car. It took absolutely no time. He's like, I'm home already. I don't know what's going on. I woke up to go to the bathroom, and my dad was gone on this day, and I yelled at him. So it was 6:30 in the morning, and he was gone. And I'm like, if you leave at 6:30 in the morning, you got to tell me where you're going. I made patty melt grilled cheeses for lunch. So good. Very, very good. Okay, finished off this skein of yarn for the last row of purple for the blanket. I made vanilla bundt cake today on this day. It was so moist. I also put away my kids' laundry because he said he would put it away and had been sitting there forever. My aunt stopped by and my mom, because I had to make my cousin a card. Oh my God, it was so funny, you guys. So my mom, they were driving separately. And my mom pulled up and my aunt pulled up behind her, and my dad saw a second car pull up. So when I came in the kitchen a few minutes later, he's in putting his shoes on. He's like, is everything okay? I'm like, yeah, why? He goes, I saw a second car pull up. I thought there was trouble. I was putting my shoes on to come help. And I'm like, okay, it took you way too long. I would have been screwed by the time you came out to help me. I finished the cross stitch finally. Our coffee maker died. I bought a temporary Mr. Coffee for $25 at Target, and my boyfriend delivered it, and he sent me a text, package delivered at 11:11, 9:27:25. It made me laugh so hard. But yes, our coffee maker broke again. It's not even that old, so whatever. We got Chinese, and my fortune said, your kindness and compassion are blessings to the world. Whatever. I made a list of stuff to do, and I actually stuck to it. And guess what, you guys? My boyfriend got a new job, so he put in his notice at work on this day that he is done. Thank God. That job was making him miserable for so long. It was a long day. I cleaned the basement bathroom, made lunch. And I got rid of my Fire Stick in my room. If you know, I've been having problems with my Fire Stick. Well, I got rid of it and got an On streaming box, the 4K Plus from Walmart. It was $30, and it uses Google TV. You guys, so much better than a Fire Stick. So much better. So much better. Like, I wish I would have switched ages ago. We ran some errands. This was yesterday, right? Yes. We ran some errands, went to Ollie's to get a tarp because we still don't have a shed. So we made the plan that we're going to put everything from the shed on the shed base and cover it with a tarp. So Ollie's has really cheap tarps. We got a 15 by 18 or 15 by 20 heavy duty tarp for $30. So cheap. And the boyfriend starts his new job on Monday. And we watch The Naked Gun. And that is it. Quick, easy flip through. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.